Hello everyone, welcome to our Microsoft Word playlist. For this video, I will show you how to customize your Quick Access Toolbar. So as you can see here, I have a blank document. So as you all know, ito yung Quick Access Toolbar ng Microsoft Word. So I'm using Microsoft 2019. If your version is lower than this, same pa rin yung itsura. It might differ sa button na naka-display. So again, to customize this one, you can click this button here. And then these are the list of buttons that you can add into your toolbar. So currently I have save, undo, and redo buttons. So I wanted to add print and print preview button. So I'll just click on it. So ngayon, na-add na siya. And I want to add open button. So ito yan. In case na gusto nyo silang, may button kayong gustong tanggalin, you can right-click on that specific button and then choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. So ngayon, wala na yung open button. So hindi lang ito yung buttons na pwedeng ilagay sa Quick Access Toolbar. So you can click on the More Commands button and then you can select from these popular commands or popular buttons, or you can click on this Choose Command and choose All Commands. So all the buttons that you can use in Microsoft Word are all listed here. So okay, let's just try the popular commands option. And then let's add maybe footnote. So I'll click on it, then click on add, and then click on OK button. So as you can see, may footnote na yung Quick Access Toolbar natin. Or let's say, what if gusto mong idagdag si bullets na button? So pwede mo ring i-right-click yung button and then choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. So ito na siya. What if again gusto natin i-remove to? So right-click and then Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. So as you can see, maraming way para mag-customize ng Quick Access Toolbar. That's how easy it is to customize your Quick Access Toolbar under your Microsoft Word. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.